Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart delivery service. First, you will need to create a Walmart account. This is essential for getting started. You can easily do this by downloading the official Walmart app onto your mobile device or by visiting their website directly from your computer. Once your account is set up, make sure to link your preferred payment method, ensuring a smooth and speedy checkout process for all your future orders. It makes shopping so convenient. Once logged in, you can start browsing thousands of products, all available for convenient delivery right to your door. Simply add items to your virtual cart, much like you would while shopping in a physical store. When selecting groceries, remember to specify your preferences for substitutions, like choosing a different brand of milk if your first choice is unavailable. You can also add helpful notes for your personal shopper, ensuring you get exactly what you need. This attention to detail improves your shopping experience. After filling your cart, you will choose a delivery time that best suits your schedule, with many slots available throughout the day. Standard delivery fees typically range from $7 to $10, depending on your location and the specific time slot you select. For frequent users, considering a Walmart Plus membership can be a smart move, as it often provides unlimited free deliveries and even free shipping on many online items with no minimum order. It is a great way to save money over time. As your delivery nears, you will receive real-time updates directly on your phone or computer, letting you know exactly when to expect your order. The app also allows you to communicate directly with your driver, which is helpful if you have specific drop-off instructions or a question. Upon arrival, take a moment to inspect your items, ensuring everything is correct and fresh, especially perishable goods. Finally, remember that tipping your driver is customary and can be easily done through the app, showing appreciation for their service. It makes a difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.